Look familiar? Cords everywhere, all plugged into one outlet. Well, you know what? I'm not saying that this is going to eliminate the need for all those plugs, but what this is going to eliminate is the need to plug all that stuff into two outlets. This has a 10-foot cord. Also has two USB-A ports and one USB-C port. Has 4 outlets. Get it opened up, see what it looks like. We know what they do. Let's see what they look like. Have our, oh yeah, it's IPX6 waterproof power strip. In case you're going to be having this around water, which I wouldn't suggest it, but whatever. Has an off and on switch right here. That is really cool there. And what's cool about this is this cord swivels. Y'all check that out. Now that is awesomeness. Very cool. Down here on the end, we have our USB-A ports and our USB-C port. We have our 4 AC outlets all right here, all facing one direction. And the big plus on this is the 10-foot cord. So I have all that stuff plugged in to 2 outlets. Thing is, this has a 10-foot cord, so I can come around the room and get other things plugged in on the other wall versus having them all plugged in on that one wall. So this is a win-win situation. This is from ZZJ. Oh, it also has mounting holes here on the back. Just in case, I guess you wanted to mount this up on a wall or somewhere, you could, I guess you would be hanging it like that, wouldn't you? Little keyholes are up. Anyway, you could put this up on a wall if you wanted to. There you go. This is our 4-plug, 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port, and a 10-foot cord that you can turn. Very cool. This is going to be handy. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.